Choppers, what's going on? MJ Givens Hasi here. What do we know so far? It's a brand new week and there's a lot going on, and I think there's a lot that is going to take place in the coming week. What do we know so far is that the euro dollar was just up by 0.6% just when the Asian session opened, and we are now seeing that there's not much going on for the dollar this morning. And what we also understand is that Nasdaq traded at 20,800 on Friday. When the market closed up, it was just trading at 20,800, and now we had a gap that is now trading at 20,900. I think 21,000 is our next target, but there's a lot that we are going to discuss today as far as the markets are concerned. We also saw a bit of a dump coming in for gold there from 2,700 to now trading at 2,680. So choppers, without any further ado, let's get on the charts. Do remember that this program is sponsored by Okta. If you need an account, just click on the description down below, open up an account and use this promo code trade with MJ for 100% bonus on your deposit. Let's get to the charts. All right, what do we have on the charts? Okay, so we are going to start with the euro dollar. Let's see how the markets reacted to the Asian Open just in the early hours of the morning. So we see that we have something like a 50-60 pip gap on the euro dollar. However, for me, I think this is going to be one of those interesting setups I'm going to have this coming week, and I'll tell you why. I mean, if you look at where we are in terms of price, we're currently trading at $1.04. I think it's inevitable for this price to go back to $1.05, because we're now trading at $1.04, right? So my anticipation on this is this market is either we are going to buy at a discount, we go to the upside, take our fee from this low here to that high there, and get our 786 retracement around this price there, then we can take it from there. So that's what I have on the euro dollar. So I'm going to be simply bullish on this one. However, my fear is that this thing can just consolidate and just go to the upside, but still we remain bullish, up by 0.6% just in the early hours of the morning. Right, British pound USD, we kind of have the same 50 to 60 pip movement to the upside. What is it that we see now is that this can be treated as a key significant area. If you look at 4 hours, right, you could tell that obviously a lot of retail traders, they'll want to take this to the downside, even fill the gap, right? So that's not how I'm going to take it. This is how I'm going to take it back to the upside. We are going to break above this support resistance that we have there. Then maybe we can reload at $1.25. This is how I'm going to approach the British pound USD. Remember again, what do we know about fundamentals? It's quite interesting to know that Putin is warning the UK and the US against missiles on Russia supporting Ukraine, right? And yeah, he's speaking in terms of nuclear and whatnot. Trump is coming in soon, obviously in the White House, and yeah, it's going to be quite interesting to see how the markets are going to react from that perspective. On gold, so yeah, we had our POC trading at 2,568. And from last week, if you look at our last video that we uploaded last week, we spoke about reloading positions, at least from this 2,569, reload again at 2,621, and we reloaded again at $2,662 an ounce. But we spoke of the fact that we can go back to 2,700, and yeah, we hit that 2,700 nicely, and we had a nice buy here at 2,692. Guys, check us out every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, where we do our live streaming and we trade live together as a community. So this is what we took during the live streaming just last week. So yeah, I'm anticipating a break below retest 2,661, then we can take this thing to the downside. That's how I see gold. Hey traders, imagine getting 10 plus trading ideas every single day. This is what the Okta Trading Marathon is all about, packed with insights and pro strategies. Each day you will directly learn from expert speakers that will be doing live trading sessions as well as Q&A sessions. Now, this is a chance for you to ask questions and get some advice, as well as learn different approaches from top traders. What is also nice about this experience is that you stand a chance to win $2,100 in prizes. Therefore, this is not only about learning, but it's also about applying different tactics as well as competing for real prizes. If you are ready to transform your trading and you are ready to learn from the best, all you just have to do is click on the link down below or go to my bio and join the Octa Trading Marathon today. Don't miss out. I can't wait to see you there. Cheers. Nasdaq, on the other hand, as I mentioned before, that we were trading at 20,800, and we are now trading at 20,900 when we had this gap in the morning, right? I'm anticipating again that this might come in as just a consolidation here, and we can see this thing go back to the upside to 20,100, possibly 21,000. I think this is where we're going to find our major resistance, and we can even take our trend line from there and see if this will make sense for us to have a 3 touch there. Oops, let me fix that so we can have something like this, and like this, right? US30. So yeah, quite interesting to see US30. We broke about 44,475. We are now thinking that if we can reload back at that price, then we can go to the upside. Are we filling up the gap? That's not something that I normally do. I don't trade like that. So yeah, anything that will come around 44,469, I'll be looking at taking this thing to the upside. So I'm bullish on US30, bullish on Nasdaq, bearish on gold. German 40 on the other hand, we had our POC at 19,244, and yeah, we said we break retest, then we go to the upside. As you see, it did exactly that, and now we only the safest position for us for German 40 will be a break and a retest 19,493. So let me say 19,500 is a good spot to look for buying opportunities on German 40. Right, as you know that we've been bullish also on it from last week. WTI on the other hand, beautiful setups coming in. We are printing nicely on WTI. We waited for this price to break above retest $70.48 a barrel. This is where we wanted to take our buying opportunity. So I had a setup that I've sent on the group just in the morning that I'm gonna be looking at buying this. So yeah, I bought it at $70.48, and my target will be $70.90, right? So there's like a 10 cents movement there. So if I break and retest $70.90, I'm going to reload and go to the upside. So I'm just trying to play it safe here because I know this thing respects supports and resistance so much, so I don't want to be caught on the wrong direction when I come at this level. So yeah, I'm going to be bullish on this one for the entire week. But if something happens, then I can always make decisions from there. AUD USD. Also, we had a nice gap coming in on AUD USD, more or less the same setup as Euro Dollar as well as the British Pound USD. I'm looking at this level here, 65 cents. This is where I'm looking for buying opportunities at this area here. So yeah, if we break above this level here, we can reload from there. So we can look to buy there and retest and go to the upside. So that's what I have on AUD USD. I think it's clear and I think it's simple for me to notice it. Selling opportunities will come if I trade back at 64 cents, break retest, and we go to the downside. But as it is, I'm leaving it as it is. Now let's address the elephant in the room. We know that we had a reversal at 99,500, right? This is where we had our reversal. Quite interesting to see, by the way. But I think this was deliberate from obviously the big world, right? Hedge funds, money managers, obviously there's something, they're taking their profits there. you would ask yourself, I mean, it's a $500 difference. Why would we return there and not hit 100,000? Why? Because there were a lot of others, people coming in, fear of missing out. A lot of people were buying at this area here to say we are going to the 100,000, but this thing didn't hit 100,000. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we go back and reload at 94,000, 93,000, then we can go to that 100,000 mark, and yeah, 100,000 to 100,000, 100, and that's when we can see our overall drop, a dump that we are anticipating from there at 1,000, 100,000, 100. Right, that's what we have on Bitcoin. USD Japanese. Okay, we see that we have our key significant area at this level here. However, I like the fact that we also have a key nice area here. I think I'm going to be bearish on this one because, yeah, Japanese is always weak, but I'm just going to give it a benefit of the doubt that maybe at this area here, we can go back there, then we can take it to the downside, take our FIB from that high to that low. We have our retracement at 786. This is where we can look for selling opportunities for USD Japanese. Okay. All right. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Don't forget to join me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and also remember that we release our psychology video also on Wednesday, where you learn all things psychology. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so that we can notify you when we drop another episode. Thank you so much. Cheers, guys. Bye.